Alright guys, we are going to look at another AI tool, another excellent piece of software called Acumbamail. Simple and effective email marketing for everyone. That's the claim, that's their unique selling point, their unique claim to fame. Alright, so let's check out their intro video and then I'll tell you what I think and all that good stuff.
Complicated to get outstanding results. Easily boost your business from a single platform with Acumbamail. Send different types of email marketing campaigns within minutes. Create professional designs choosing from more than 800 responsive email templates that you can easily customize with an intuitive builder. Streamline your marketing strategy combining email and SMS. Design automated intelligent workflows. Boost campaign conversions creating landing pages. And reach new customers directly. That way you can save time and resources, increase your return on investment, make effective campaigns, and achieve the best communication with your customers. Sign up for free in Acumbamail and enjoy 2,000 emails a month for life.
Acumbamail. Alright guys, so check it out. So let's see what they have to say on their website. So it's an easy sell, easily send email and SMS campaigns and boost your business. Marketing should not be complicated to get great performance. With a single tool you can manage your email campaigns, SMS landing pages and much more. Alright, so we're going to sign up and try it out. Sign up for free. Yep, let me just do that. Sign up for free. Use strong password. Alright, I don't want to see my password, so okay. So eyes wide shut. Alright, we're gonna change that and we're gonna use strong password. Alright, we're gonna use strong password. Okay, cool. As far as this process, so we're gonna create the account. Welcome to Acumbamail. Let's see what's up. Password saved, all that good stuff. I would like to start email marketing, SMS. I'm curious about the SMS. Let's see what the SMS is about. Email marketing and SMS. Do you know, does that combination, to get that combination within a product is really amazing. Quick question before, how many do we need to send? I need to send, check this out. Oh, okay, here we go. Yeah, there we go, buy credit. Alright, I'm not gonna buy credit right now. So I thought they would give me a sample and stuff like that, but it's okay. But I'm wondering what they'll be using to how to create a template, create your first template. Alright, let's see, start your campaign. Wow. Okay, getting started. Okay, how to create a template. Let's see. Alright, pretty simple, straightforward. Okay, let's do it. How to create a first template, express your creativity. So just this step one, we're going to do the walkthrough. Still haven't created a custom template. I'm going to go create one. Oops, there we go. Do I create a template? Or yeah, I'm going to use a template. So in the spirit of Black Friday, we're going to use which one? This one looks nice. The literally Black Friday. This one looks alright too, but yeah, check this out. I like this one as well. So let me use this one. Black Friday 2023 Acumbamail. test. Alright, so continue this. Alright, would you like a professional to design your template for 150 euro? I'm good. Wow, guys, really. Plain and simple drag and drop. Lauren Ipsum dollar. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright, Black Friday. Acumba test email. Black Friday email. Alright, we're gonna leave that stuff here. Pretty straightforward. Check out the deal. So we're gonna, where's the thingy? Oh, I have to check. Okay, you could edit it within the button. Check out the deals. Items, how do you call it? Best sellers. Alright, we're gonna put some image. Let's see what images. Change image. Do they have a database of images that we could use? Upload, import, search free photos. Okay, here we go. Pexels and Pixabay. So we're gonna do journal bestsellers. Just gonna mess around, test what's up. Alright. Ooh. Okay, cool. Journal. Insert. Journals. Work. Journals. We're just messing around. Okay. Get deal. Alright, let's see what we could offer here. Change image. We're gonna do let's do search free photos. We're gonna do a laptop. So we just I'm just messing around and testing Acumba to see what's up. How easy it is to just create stuff. So laptop, just clear laptop just there. Alright, chilling. Pretty straightforward, I like. Alright. So we're gonna use this one, import this one, laptops. Oops, there we go. Oh wait, did I use the same? Oh, I have to change it. If I didn't change it, change image. This one, yeah, MacBook Pro. Laptops, MacBook Pro, plus more. Get deals. So this one should be deals. This one, get deals. Alright, sweet. Alright, so we have the deals. So we're just making some stuff up. Unsubscribe me, change my information, and we could edit the URLs in here. Alright, so check out the deals. So that leads to the main site logo. We could create a logo. Alright, send template or save template. Okay. Alright, let's see. Change image. I don't know what the send template is about. Okay. Alright, so send it to a campaign. Okay, great. Settings, just create campaign. Subdomain on Acumba. Configuration for the links of your campaign. Okay, I'm gonna use it. Let me see what's up. I'll do the SMSs as well. I'm gonna use it to I'm gonna use it to just test out the campaign for my. I have an Aweber subscriber list. I'm gonna test it out. Campaign name 7 Sigma Acumba email test. Your digital, your Black Friday discounts ready. Still on wait, Black Friday discounts are available until midnight. Send a name. It's pretty straightforward. AJ pre-header, take advantage of my discounted digital marketing packages. Alright, exclamation, configuration, customer. Okay, we could add the Google Analytics. Okay, it looks so far. Maybe I need to add a list. Let's see. I'm going to save the draft and I'm going to do next is list, so it goes backwards. So let's see, it's going to do the list. Select the subscriber list. I don't have a list right now. Select a segment for the list. Search in your list to list. I don't have a list, so I may need to go create a subscriber list separate. Let's see what the list saying. There we go. Send campaign to myself. One subscriber. Okay, that's my new list. List. Okay. Create new list. Devon Sigma OMS subscribers. Oh yeah, guys, check out in the description of the YouTube video. I have my subscriber list, my email newsletter subscribing list. My email newsletter, so you can subscribe to my email newsletter. I got tongue twisted there. So subscribers, create. I'm the only person on the list. In the meantime, add subscribers. There we go. I could add subscribers. There we go. Oh yeah, wow, I'm smart. I have an entire thingy on Kartra that I need to go in, so I need to go into Kartra and get those emails. I'm just doing it in a separate browser. Let's see. Alright. Okay, let me see. Hopefully it goes through. It should go through. You have one more pass. Please check the video area. Okay, cool. Alright, awesome. Let's see. View assets. What's this? Active leads. Alright. Alright, I need to export this. I'm looking at everything from another how do I download those? Yeah, I'm not seeing leads. Select all. Okay, and action. Export. Oh yeah, there we go. Export. So I could literally add it. So paste CSV Excel file. Alright, so we're not gonna do that right now. MailChimp list. Oh, we could do MailChimp and integrate with Google Sheets as well. Or I could add manually. Just pretty cool, I'm liking. Email leads. Let's see, leads. Gotcha. Alright, I'm just doing that in another window. So okay, cool. So since I don't have a list, I'm gonna go back to campaign, choose the list. Yeah, we're gonna it's being edited, so I'm gonna go back to it's pretty much straightforward. Okay, select the subscriber list. Next, choose send campaign to myself. Boom. Alright, why are there two? Go to design and duplicate. What's this? Same thing. Okay, cool. And next, design. I already choose a template. Next, design. I've already done design. Okay, no, I do not need that. We've done that. And we go to next, and an email without a layout can insert at least one. Accept a layout. Oh wait, that was the template. Okay, so check this out. I'm gonna go back to the templates. I think this one. Wait, I didn't update that? Yeah, I did. Yeah, next. Close. No, they're really pushing that 150 to get a designer. They're smart. It's pretty straightforward. Check out the deals. Okay, my text is there. But I know I edited these guys right here, so, and this one, so why isn't it interesting? So once I do this, I will save it. So journals, productivity tools, get deals, laptops and devices, and MacBook Pro, get deals, and we're going to just choose that image. Change, I already have the image, so we're going to choose that, which is this one right here. We're going to select that one. Alright, so we do have it. So we're just seeing how convenient this is. Templates. So do we need to save the draft? I'm gonna, let's see, I'm gonna do next, save template, but now I need to apply the template. Okay. Alright, we're gonna test it, see how it looks. So email 7sigma0@gmail.com. Alright, cool. I'm gonna send it, see how that look. Preview, so we could preview it, the campaign. Pretty straightforward, guys, pretty straightforward. Can't go wrong with this. But what's really interesting about Acumba is the SMS integration to any phone in the world. That looks pretty good. So yeah, Acumba test Black Friday email, check out the links, get deals, bestsellers. Alright, sweet, looks good. Alright, pretty straightforward. So I think I sent it already to myself. So wow, send campaign, open mail booster. Ah, okay, so there's an opened mail booster and a campaign URL. So let's see what the campaign URL, what does that mean? Let's see, when you have a campaign URL, let's see. Oh, okay, basically gives you a preview. Awesome, looks good. Okay. Okay. Pretty straightforward. Alright, there we go. Send the test and then we send the campaign. Alright guys, so Acumbamail is pretty much standalone. But check this out. It's definitely something I would use, especially for the SMS integration. So it's pretty straightforward. I was able to figure it out. It's quite intuitive. The layout and the procedure, the workflow is quite intuitive. So check this out. So apparently they have this deal running, this Black Friday deal running, where you could get it's for the Pro is $839, but you get 91% off, 91% discount. You only pay $79. Pretty cool, eh? So I would grab that deal. License 1 source. Build an email marketing campaign, automated digital workflows, and responsive landing pages within a single platform. Check. It does so. Analyze results with email list management options, optimize sending times, and comprehensive data reports. It has that capability, but I need to be a pro to access it. So all in all, Acumbamail gets a thumbs up. Pretty impressive. So I like. Alright guys, so click the link below, take advantage of this massive discount, 91% discount. If not, then spread the word and get someone else to take advantage of it. Share the wealth, or join. I put a link below so you could join AppSumo as well, and you could promote it and make as well, get a commission. Alright guys, that's it for me, so catch you in the next video.